Hey, if you're seeing this video, then it's your sign not to give up on your YouTube channel. We all start from zero. I started from zero, and okay, it took a while to get to 1,000 subscribers and be monetized. But now I've got over 8,000 subscribers, and I wouldn't have dreamt that would get so many. I can't believe it. So just don't give up. Like you might think 1,000 subscribers is a long way off, but just keep posting. Just keep being consistent. I just at the start I would post. Well, it's mainly fashion. I do DIYs, but then I also like to travel, and I would put my travel blogs on there, and then you get the analytics and you can see what's doing well and what isn't. So then go from there. So everyone always says like niche down. So I guess my niche would be to do DIYs, but actually I still do the travel vlogs or reviews because I get a lot of watch time. That's the thing as well. Once I was monetized, so you need 4,000 hours watch time and 1,000 subscribers. And then, so I was monetized, then it fell below the 4,000 hours watch time, and they stopped monetizing my channel again. So, you have to keep working on it, have to keep posting. So I try and post once a week now. Well, I post a short every day or a video, a long form video. Obviously, long form video is going to do better if you're monetized, like as in you'll get more ad revenue from that. Yeah. Also try to answer people's questions, as in, for example, like that. That's why I started doing the holiday reviews, because people are searching the hotel that we stayed at to see what it was like. So that's why I would make a whole video about the room, about the food. That's what people want to know. And then you also get the questions in the comments. That will bring your video up, and subscribers probably. And then with my DIY videos, it was videos mainly about my hats, how I make my hats, because people want to know how to make hats, or headbands, or jewelry even. I've done all sorts of fashion, like this DIY. It's just an easy slit top that I made. It's just fun things to do. I'm also planning on doing a video about 30 things to do when you're bored. You can try all these things. I'm going to try it and see if it gets any views. I don't take the videos down because they might as well be there. You never know when they will be popular. It all helps. Also, if you're scared of people seeing you, like you're not posting because you think you're worried what people might think of you. I feel stupid at times and I can't get my words out, but so what? Everyone's human, and that makes you individual. I'm not going to edit this out. I know I speak ridiculously and my accent's all over the place, but you're not going to stop me posting on YouTube. Anyway, I don't particularly like the way I look, but you get what you're given, don't you? So just do it. Just go for it. What have you got to lose? I just really want to inspire people and help people. You're welcome to leave your channel in the comments and maybe we can all connect. Hopefully this video will get some views. But if it doesn't, it doesn't. I tried. At least you tried. So just go for it and make your dreams come true. So if you like this kind of video, please do subscribe and I'll try to make more. If you've got any questions, leave them below and I'll try my best to help. It's good to... Thanks for watching if you got this far away, all the way through. And hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Bye.